What if I told you lifting and leveling concrete could earn you over $680,000 a year? That's not hype, it's math. At HMI, we've been helping contractors succeed for over 50 years. Our KISS profitability calculator makes it simple to project real earnings based on jobs, pricing, and costs. And hundreds of contractors have used it to build 6 and even 7-figure businesses. And if you'd like to see the full breakdown with every assumption explained, check out our profitability guide. The link's below. Here's how the numbers stack up. Work about 200 days a year, average 4 jobs a day. Each job brings in about $1,200. That's $4,800 in daily revenue. Now, let's subtract the costs. Materials, around $920 a day. Fuel, about $50. Admin, roughly $100. Marketing, call it $240. Equipment financing, $90. And when the dust settles, you're left over $3,400 in profit per day. Multiply that out and you're looking at about $680,000 a year. Of course, these are estimates, not guarantees. Markets vary, overhead changes, but plug in your own numbers so you can see what's possible in your business. Want to learn how to make this work for you? Join HMI's 2-day training. We'll show you exactly how to start and scale a profitable concrete lifting business. The link's below. This isn't theory, it's a proven model. Real contractors, real businesses, real profits. If the idea of a 6-figure future excites you, don't wait. Seats fill fast. Sign up for training today and let's lift your business to the next level.